hooking both hands underneath Cindy's shoulder blades, I'm going to push the hands up and then in towards each other to try to create some movement in the shoulder blades. What if I hold you right there, Cindy? How's that feel?
Good.
Good. Now, do you want some traction or do you want push? Either or?
Yeah.
Okay. What if I go back and forth?
That's good.
There we go. When she says, well, she can't quite figure out like what feels better, it's not a judgment in any way. I'm just trying to subtly change position and see what she enjoys more. The creative dance in session and communication really adds nuance and potential to your massage sessions.